If you're choosing between Revealbot and Madgicx, this isn't just AI ad tool versus AI ad tool. It's automation and rules versus AI-driven optimization. So, which one actually helps your ads? Let's break it down. Revealbot focuses heavily on automation. It lets you create rules that automatically scale campaigns, pause per performing ads, and adjust budgets based on performance. Many marketers like it because it saves time and reduces manual work. But here's the catch. It still relies heavily on the rules you create, so the quality of your setup matters. Madgicx takes a different approach. It leans more into AI recommendations, audience targeting, creative insight, and automated optimization for advertisers running larger campaigns. It can help uncover patterns that may be harder to spot manually. The downside is that it can feel more complex and usually becomes more expensive as campaigns scale. So which AI actually helps your ads? Choose Revealbot if you want automated rules and easier campaign management. Choose Madgicx if you want deeper AI-driven optimization and audience insights. Bottom line, for most smaller teams, Revealbot often feels more practical because automation alone can save huge amounts of time. But for larger campaigns where optimization and audience analysis matter more, Madgicx may provide the bigger advantage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.